Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to show you how I diffuse my hair. So here's the deal. During my last live stream, which was I think a couple weeks ago, I was talking with you guys about future videos and stuff like that. I realized a lot of you would like to see how I diffuse my hair, and one of you, hi Shauna if you're watching this video, was sharing with the community and with me how she loves her diffuser, and she sold it. She talked about it so well. She doesn't work for the company, but she sold it to me so well. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have to try it. So I ordered it online, and I've been using it for about a week or so now, and I'm loving it. It completely changed the way I'm diffusing my hair. Here's the diffuser that comes with my hair dryer. Pretty standard, pretty simple. I wanted to show it to you just so we can compare. You see it's pretty flat. It has those teeth that sticks out. At the end of the teeth you have little holes where the air comes out. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? With no further ado, I'm gonna show you what this product looks like. It's called the Black Orchid diffuser. This is the box that it came in. It's from the brand Xtava. I'm not sure if I pronounced this well. I'll put their website in right here. This video is not sponsored at all. I paid this with my own money. I bought this on Amazon and I don't remember how much I spent for it, but I will put the price right here for you guys to see. It will also be linked in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description box. Now here's the one that I got online. You see the difference? It is way bigger. It takes a lot more of my scalp. I think it's like a third. I can put a third of my hair, like in 3 sections. I covered my entire scalp. The teeth are sticking out a lot more, and again we still have the holes at the end, which does a good job at diffusing the air through the scalp, because the problem I have when I diffuse my hair is that the hot hair goes first through the ends, which get damaged, and then through the scalp, and it takes longer to get the hair close to the roots dry than the ends, and you end up frying your ends or damaging your ends because it takes so much more. So my technique so far when I was using this diffuser was to concentrate on the roots first and make sure that you get your roots lifted and dry, and once you get that job done, then you would go and do the length. But now that I'm using a different tool, I don't need to do all that work. And this to me is revolutionary and I'll tell you why. So far I've always said, as long as you have a diffuser, it doesn't matter what shape, if it's the shape of a hand like the Diva Curl diffuser, if it's the standard diffuser you get from your regular blow dryer, or if it's some high technology diffuser. A diffuser is a diffuser, right? It diffuses the air, that's all we need. Well, now that I've tried this, I have to change what I've been saying. The tool makes a difference. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the hand one. You know, the Diva Curl diffuser. First of all, the price is out of this world, and I don't know, I don't really like it like that. I like the round diffuser better. I highly encourage you to try a different type of diffuser. If you cannot afford to buy a different diffuser, this does a great job. What I recommend is that you first work on your roots and then you work on your length so that you don't fry the ends of your hair, if that's all you have. Now if you can afford to get one of those bad guys, girl, all you have to do is diffuse your hair. There's no need to go crazy on the technique. You just put your head upside down and diffuse your hair. All right, so with no further ado, and before my hair air dries too much, I'm gonna show you guys how I diffuse my hair. This is day 3 hair. All I did is put some flaxseed hair gel. I didn't put any leave-in conditioner, nothing, because my hair felt like it had enough. I'm gonna put on high speed and on low heat. high speed, low heat. I'm gonna stop halfway through and tell you what I'm doing. I'm probably gonna fast forward throughout the whole process, and then voila. All right, let's get this party started. Okay, my love, so right now I am about 50% dry. I don't think I need it today, but I'm showing you how I do my drying technique, so I'm gonna add it regardless so you guys can see. When I'm 50% dry, I like to stop the diffusing, and that's a technique I stole from Julissa with Rizzo's Curl. She stops, I think she does, what she call it again? The 30, 60, 90, where she stops her diffusing when she's 30% dry, 60% dry, and 90% dry. And she looks at her hair and she sees if her hair needs anything. Right now, I don't believe that my hair needs anything because I've used flaxseed hair gel and I let it hair dry for a while. Usually that does a good job at keeping my frizz at bay, but just for the sake of this video to show you guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more gel. Let's pretend that I have frizz. I'm gonna add the In Shower Style Fixer. This is a gel that I've been playing with in the past couple weeks. It's a gel that you're supposed to add in the shower or when your hair is super wet. So it's not, I'm playing around with it, but it has a great hold, and it does a good job at keeping the frizz at bay. I'll do a review on this whole line from Curlsmith, you know, so don't worry about it. All right, now that I added a little bit of something to my hair, I'm gonna go back to the diffusing. I'm still on low heat, and this time I'm gonna go on low speed. Why low speed? Because I feel like the core center of my hair is dry. I'm gonna work more on my length, and I want to make sure that my curls are nice and bouncy. So I'm gonna slow down the speed, and I'm gonna kind of like, you'll see me do a little bit more of this movement. Let's go. I think I am done. Here's the result as soon as I'm done with the diffusing. Okay, so this is me 5 seconds after I'm done diffusing. This is the best hair result with the most definition, the less frizz, the most bounce. This is when you do your Instagram photo, girlfriend, okay? I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna give it about half an hour. I'm not gonna mess with my hair. I'm just gonna give my hair time to handle what happened. You know, so take time to really absorb the product, let go of the hot hair. So I'm gonna, you know, be shaking my hair a lot, and just let it settle down. And then after a while, you're gonna see that your hair is gonna either start to fluff a little bit or be weighted down because you put too much product. That's when you're gonna see if your dosage was right, if you needed to put a little bit more gel, you know, all that jazz. Usually we don't have time for that. Usually we diffuse and we're out the door. I don't know about you, but that's my life. So I get the surprise on how my hair is once I get to my final destination. But on days like today where I'm pretty much filming and home all day, I actually get to appreciate my hair. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. I'll come back in front of the camera to show you the result after maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. And from there, I'll show you what I do next. All right, see you in a second. All right, my love, it's been about 20 minutes since I diffused my hair. I'm gonna start shaking and separating the curls. Let's go. All right, here, separation. So my hair definitely fluffed up. I don't know if it shows on camera. I'm starting to see a little bit of the frizz, which is a good sign. It means that my hair is getting a little bit more volume, a little bit more texture. Here. All right, I'm done. I like it like that. I don't want to change anything. Okay, so here's the final result. All right, so what can I tell you about this whole process? Well, the first thing that I want to say is that my diffusing technique has been a lot easier since I changed the diffuser for something a little bit more elaborate, a little bit more technique, and not just my standard diffuser that comes with the hair dryer that I purchased. Okay, the second thing that I think is very important to your diffusing technique is to stop diffusing before your hair is 100% dry. Stop at least at 50% dry and see what your hair is telling you. Do you start to have frizz already? Are your curls not really defined? Do you think you need to re-wet and then reshape? Do you think that you could use a little bit more gel? Do you think that you can use a little bit more leave-in conditioner maybe on the tips? You know, stop what you're doing halfway through, analyze your hair, and adjust. Lastly, if you only have the diffuser that came with your hair dryer, I highly recommend that first of all you take a look at my previous video on how I diffuse my hair when I had long hair, and you'll see that I am pretty much traveling around my hair to make sure that the roots of my head is dry first, and then I go in and then I go towards the end of my hair. You're trying to preserve the ends of your hair. You do not want them to get heat damage, and when you diffuse your hair like that the whole time for, let's say, 15 minutes, you're gonna get damage on the roots of your hair. So now that we are done diffusing, that we have left our hair fluffed up, and that we have shaked the roots and give it that volume, you want to take a last look at your hair and see if it's too dry, if you think you can add a little bit of something. Right now I am on day 3 hair, and what I call a day 3 is it's been 3 days since I've washed my hair. I washed my hair on Monday, it's Wednesday. I worked out this morning. I only worked out once. Yesterday I wet my hair, but I didn't put anything in there. I just wet, styled, diffused. Today I did the same thing, but the difference is that I did not wet my hair under the shower. I wet my hair with a spray bottle. And I have to say day 3 is giving me very, very nice volume. I did not put any leave-in conditioner because once my hair was wet, the texture of my hair was very silky, so I knew I had enough hydrating product left in my hair. All I added was flaxseed hair gel, and then halfway through my diffusing I added my new Curlsmith in shower style elixir. Now this product, I've been playing with it for little bit less than a month now. I've tried it under the shower. I've tried it as a styler while my hair was 100% wet, and I also tried it like you saw today, halfway through my drying process. It's definitely a gel that you want to mix with water because it is going to dry on your hands faster than you can put it on your hair. But the hold on this gel is really nice. I will do a whole review on those Curlsmith's new product that just came out very soon, so stay tuned for that. At the end of the day, whatever gel product you want to use will work. You just need to learn how to use your product properly with the type of hair that you have, and you will get the result that you want. But it's trial and error, so don't discourage yourself if you don't get it right the first time. Learn from it, see what you can change the next time, and see if the result is a little bit better then. Okay. All right, my loves, I think I'm done with this video. Thank you so much, Shauna, for recommending this diffuser to me. It is one of the best purchases I've done this year for my hair, you guys, because diffusing is everything when it comes to drying our curls. So I really recommend you guys try it. It is in my Amazon store, and the link is in the description below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions that you think I can answer, put it in the comments below. What I'm gonna try to do from now on is one live stream a month, during which I will go through each video I did that month and I will answer most of your questions. So that doesn't mean I'm not going to answer the questions in the comments, or I'm not going to reply to your comments. It just means that I'm going to use those questions for the live stream, and I'm going to go a little bit deeper than just what I wrote. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure yet when the next live streams come in because there's Thanksgiving and all that jazz, but I'll let you know. It's probably going to be after, or maybe the weekend of Thanksgiving, because it's a long weekend. People are going to be relaxing and all that. I'm running out of battery again. All right, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.